Hello guys. So I will make this session which is not on Saturday. Okay, today we are on Tuesday. Last Saturday I was out, okay, into the mountains, so I couldn't do the live stream as usual. Okay, so I am thinking to do this again and see if we have some people who are available to join me here, and we can discuss a lot of things today. And the subject is today is how to stay longer in a trade, and this is the most difficult thing that any beginners have. Okay, so I begin to see there is one watching, which is very good. We can begin with one. So I will be like just speaking a little bit, like few minutes until some guys come, and then we can begin together and we can discuss the subject of today. The subject of today is one of the most ignorant skill in trading stocks, especially short-term trading, or what we call swing trading. Okay, people, they neglect it because they don't understand why we stay longer in a trade. Okay, and why most of the beginners, if I say all of them, they don't stay long. Sometimes they stay long in the opposite way. Okay, I will explain everything in this session into details, but for right now I'm just trying to see if more guys come. I see 2 watching. Okay, so 2 watching right now. The message is on, the chat is on. Hello Bain, how are you? It's very good that you come. So I will be just speaking a little bit in a few minutes, and then we can begin our session. We have 2 guys only watching, so we just speak a little bit until some people come, and then we can begin the session for true. So like I said, the problem of almost all beginners lies in this session of today, which is how to stay longer. And the question that you always ask, why we stay longer. Okay, why we don't just take some profits one day or 2 and we exit with what we call a price target. This is which is very funny. I still get in my comments on the videos, and some people, they still send me a lot of questions. I understand they don't understand anything and they believe something else. Okay, someone just few days ago sent me an email. He's telling me where he wants to buy the stock and what is his target price. Okay, as if he knows everything about future. Okay, so target price is used mostly in day trading. Okay, it is not used in swing trading, as I can see. Okay, the way I do business, I don't have what we call price target. There is no what we call percentage and I exit. There is no. I have never done this in my career as a trader in swing trading. I have never done this. Why you stop yourself? Okay, Just an example. Let's say you buy a stock, as I did for the stock that I am in, which is my live trade. Okay, I bought it around $13 something, $13, I think 32 cents. Okay, so do I do like beginners? I say when the stock goes to 15 or 14, I will sell. Okay, it is not. So the beginning is false. And if the beginning is false, you end up having little profits. Hey Vincent, how are you? You are on time, which is very good. Thank you very much for coming. You know, last Saturday, not last Saturday, the other Saturday, most of you guys don't come. I have only 10 or 12 that are mostly new. So all the guys, and they told me they were watching sport or something like that. That's why I was astonished. I say, what's going on? Where are the guys? And most of the guys told me they were watching TV or something like that. that's why last Saturday I say, okay, I will do something like them. So I will go to the mountains, and that's it. Okay, so that is what did happen. So as I explained, a lot of beginners, when they begin to think about how to make money, they make mistakes, and these mistakes will stop them from making money. And then they ask themselves why we don't make money. Okay, and today, oh, you were sleepy. So but it was not only you, Vincent. I saw like 30 guys. They don't come. I have new guys that come, but all my students that I have always in when I do the session, I don't find them. Okay, it's not only you that you are sleepy, but one of the guys told me that he was watching TV, sports, and it was live, and he couldn't. I say, okay, that's okay, because you know, even if you are not live, and if you don't ask questions and something, you can watch the session tomorrow. Okay, you can find it in YouTube and you watch it. There is no problem with that. But when it is live, it is better, because people, they can interact, they can ask questions directly, whatever question comes, and I am speaking with always with some very important information, so the people, they can ask questions. So as I told you before, the problem with this how to stay longer is a real problem for beginners. If they don't understand why, and they have a very good reason, they will never make money. Believe me, this is one of the skills that are very difficult, and you should understand from the beginning what you are doing. And this is why this how to stay longer is training level 7, how to follow a trend or to follow a stock. Okay, so you say Vincent, for a beginner, if money is not an issue, how many stocks do you recommend to buy and manage at one time? Hello Vincent, I think I told you before, you should check training level 8. You can order it by ebook or by video. If you have it, please try to check the videos and get with me after. Okay, send me an email and we can discuss this, because each one is different. Okay, so if the money is not an issue, it depends on how much money you have, it depends on how many positions you have. This depends on you, on your risk tolerance, on the stocks that you choose. So stocks are different, are so different. So I explain in training level 8 how to minimize risk and maximize profit. In training level 8, I explain how to assess your risk and how to see these stocks. And from that, you can manage to make a position sizing for yourself, because it's different. If you have 100,000 or 200,000, it's not the same as someone who has $1,000. It's not the same. You can't do the same thing. It's not one size fits all. No. That's why we have always variables. These variables that I'm teaching you is the basic thing that you should study for yourself. You should make your own according to my criteria. I will give you the criteria, and when you know the criteria, you make one for yourself and you do it. You do it for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, and you see yourself. Are you good or not? If you see that you have a lot of risk, you will have to change that position sizing, or change the stocks that you are in. Some stocks are so volatile, some stocks are slow, some stocks are fast. So it depends. So I can't give you an answer for you, okay? But I don't know you. I don't know how you trade, which stocks you go in, how much money you have. So if you want to, Vincent, you can send me a private message, and we can talk. Okay, you can talk directly, and because it is specific for you, it doesn't apply to other people. Now you have money. Some people they don't have money. Okay, someone have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. But some people, they have 200,000, they have 500,000, they have money, so it's not be the same. Okay? So Vincent, try just to send me an email, and then we can continue with that. We can continue with that. And this is my email, and you know my email, so but I just put it for other people if those can send me a private email. Okay, so thank you very much, Vincent. Yes, the money, see, the money will come to you when you just understand what we are doing, which is very good. The more you do, the more you learn from the techniques, the better you will be in the future. So don't rush. The money will be coming, but don't rush, and study well. If you have, for example, something that you don't understand, or you have an opinion on it because you trade 1 year or 2 or 3, and you see something, you can just send me a private message, and we can discuss that, because you can see other things, other stocks, or other things that I don't see. So it depends. So, but it is very good. It's very good that you succeed. It's a very difficult thing to buy from the support line, training level 13. Very difficult. If you can make money from it, it means that you are good. Okay, you just continue what you are doing, and you can make a lot of money from it, since if you have money, so you can buy whatever you like. So this is a very good thing also. Okay, and you have no problem with the buying power. You can buy whatever you like, which is very good. Now, as I told you before, beginners, they have a psychological problem at the beginning. Now, what is this problem? Is that when they buy a stock, and let's say they buy a stock today, let's say it is $20. Let's say tomorrow, at the end of the day, it's $21. They see some money. Okay? Let's say they buy $300 shares or 500 shares, and they begin to see the money. So they are scared that this money will go from their hands, because the other day, the third day or the fourth day or the fifth day, or by the end of the week, the stock will be going down and it will take their profits. So what they do, they exit early. This is one of the psychological problems that beginners will do. Okay, we will begin with this and then we continue to the other ones. Let's see buying. What does he say? He say, I have done some training levels. Why is buying from the support line more risky than buying from the resistance line? Okay, I will explain to you after I sip some coffee. Okay. The resistance line, with the criteria that I have that you know, okay, are very easy to know. Okay, very easy. But when the stock is going down, it can make a lot of support line. It makes a support line and you think it is the support line. You buy and then the stock goes down and crosses the support line and goes down again. Try to see, for example, try to see Twitter. Twitter, for example, was $74 before. Now it goes down. There is a support. It stops like at 70 or 68. It goes up for a few days, but then it goes down, and from 68 it goes to, let's say, 62. So here the support line is false. Now it goes down, you buy again, and then the support line is false. So that's why it is so risky. You should train yourself for a long time to get the right, and you should be able to buy at any support line that you think it is the support line. So you see the problem. Resistance line is easier. Okay, is easier if the stock goes up and it's continue to go up, you can make a lot of money. But support line is more difficult. It needs more experience from the trader. That's why I put training level 13, how to buy from support line. I put it in the training level 13 because you don't need it at first. At first you need to use something easy. You can make money easily with the resistance line. Why you go to the support line? Support line is very difficult, and it needs more experience from the trader. Okay, that's why buying. If now you can go and you have training level 13, for example, how to buy from support line, you will find when you try to practice, you will need to enter a lot of times, and you need maybe to have a list of stocks and you are following them. Okay, so it needs more work. But if you succeed in one stock, you can make a lot of money because you begin from the beginning. And this is one of the best stocks if you can find one. If you find 1 or 2 or 3 in the year, that's it. You will make tons of money. But it needs expertise. It means a skill. It means you need to practice a lot. When you see something, you just jump and you put stop loss. If it doesn't work, you exit. This is how the people do. They try to risk more money to get the best stock. But if you see a support line and you see the day where you buy and you don't buy and you say, let's see next week, the stock goes up, then you see the next week, the other week, and then you see a trend. You hear you are too late. You are too late. You are not from the beginning. The biggest good trades are from the beginning, when just the stock begins to make money. Okay? And this, it needs, as I told you, it needs more experience. For example, maybe Vincent, he has more experience and he has a lot of money. He can buy and sell whatever he wants, so he can find a good deal and he will stay with it and he can make a lot of money from it. Okay? So you need, as I said, you need more practice. Okay? And you be courageous. When you see an opportunity, according to my criteria, you buy. You don't say, I will see tomorrow. Because tomorrow maybe you have a gap up, maybe you have something good or a big candlestick or whatever. So you become like late. When you are late, most of the trades that are late doesn't do good. You should begin from the beginning. This is one thing. Now let's continue my subject with the psychological problem with the beginner. The beginner is scared to stay longer. Now, if you are scared to stay longer, you will never be a good trader because you are scared of the market. Why you are scared of the market? Okay? You should never be scared of the market because you can't make money. Okay? You can't make money if you are scared. As if someone will steal your money. The market will not steal your money. If you are good with the market will give you money as much as you can. Okay? But if you are scared and you just buy today, sell tomorrow, this will never make you the money. Thank you very much, Bain, for your question. If you have more questions, just ask. We are here to make it interactive. Now, the other week it was boring. I have about 12 people who just listen. No one has written any question. I say, man, ask questions. They don't want to ask. They say, we like to listen. It was very funny from them. And all my guys that are always here, I don't see them. So it was a tough session the other Saturday. So I was like talking for 2 hours by myself. And this is not good. Now, when you have questions, for me, I will stop from the subject and I will answer questions. And this is very good because the people will listen to the answers and all the guys who are listening will get profit from that. Okay? So, as I told you before, this is a psychological problem. If you want to make money, you should stay with good stocks. Okay? And how do you know the good stocks? If you are staying more and more, it gives you more and more and more money. And this way, okay? And this way, I have explained in training level 7 how to follow an uptrend. Vincent says the 3000 was $13 stock and the 2400 was 21 stock, but I bought more than 100 in both of the stocks. I was only in it for about a week for both stocks. Now, listen, Vincent, try to see those two stocks that you exit from. Was your exit good? Yes or no? If the stock continue, let's say the stock that you bought 13, now it is 18 or 20, okay, you have made a mistake because you left, or you take 3,000, but you can make 7,000 or 10,000 from this stock, but you just take 3,000. Don't think about the money in terms of thousands that it is a lot. No, okay. When you are in a good stock, you should always make thousands and thousands of dollars. This is for sure. Okay, so it's not something that you can just very quickly get rid of it in order to take this 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Okay, so you can make a lot of money if you stay more and more. So as I told you before, Vincent, you can check your stocks and you can see if they are still going up. If they have gone down after you bought them, it means that you are right and you don't see them again. Okay, because some stocks, when they go down, it means that that these stocks will never go up again. So it's true. Vincent, if you have time, you can send me the trades where you bought and where you sold, and we can see where the stocks go. Okay. So as I told you before, the first problem is a psychological problem. Now, what is the solution for this psychological problem? Is that you should think that if you exit early, you will never make the money that you are supposed to make. It should be clear for you from now on that if you just stay 1 day or 2 or 3 and the stock is still continuing to go up, because you will know it, put the stock that you exit, follow it later after 1 week or 2 or 3 and see where it goes. Okay? If it's still going up for 1 month or 2 or 3, it means that you are wrong and your exit or your trade exit is false. So what you should do is you should try to see your stop loss. Maybe how you follow the stock was too bad. That's why if you go to my live trade, okay, in training level 7 or in a subscription, you will find live trade. I have been in 5 weeks. Today is 10 of October. So I have been 5 weeks, 5 months and 10 days. Okay? I bought it from the 1st of May 2017. Now why I stay 5 months? It's just because the stock is giving me money. Why should I exit? A lot of people who have seen my trade, they send me emails. When will you exit and take your money? I say no. Why should I go? Why should I exit the trade? They still don't understand. They still don't understand why. Okay? Although I explained to them clearly that in order to make money, you should stay longer and longer and longer. So Vincent said the 3,000 stock went up a bit and now is back down where I sold it. The 1,000 is still going up. I sold it because I think I made a good profit. It is good money for me. Okay. But it is good. $2,500 is good money for you. But you can make 5,000 or 7,000, 10,000. Why you leave this money to other traders? Because the other traders who stay will take this money. And you are right. This is the main thing. Try not to be scared of the market. Follow the market. Change your stop loss, as I showed you on how to follow the trend in training level 7. Try to follow, and your skill will be better and better and better in the future. Okay? $2,500 that you take, but see now how much you will make. Maybe you make 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 10,000. Okay? No one knows. So why you limit your money to small money and you think it is too much for you? No, it is not too much. The market is giving you more money. Why you stop when you say no to the money? Okay? If you say no to the money, please stay in the money, and when you get the profit, send it to me. Because you don't like the money, send it to me. This will be funny. This will be funny. That's why these psychological obstacles, it means as if you don't deserve that money and it's too much for you. As if you didn't do the trade by yourself. It is someone else who tells you, oh, buy this stock here and sell it here. No, it is you who have done this trade. It's you who have searched for this trade. It is you who has bought it on time. It is you who have stayed many days. Okay, it's all you. So you are doing, I don't say perfect trading, but you are doing excellent thing. Because you are following the steps that I showed you, and you are making money right now. Okay? So try. If you are, for example, scared, I'm telling you this solution, which is half of the solution. You can sell half of your shares and leave the others for the future. This, if you are so scared, and maybe you have bought a lot of shares. Okay, you can sell half. You take that profit, which is good for you, and then you leave the others. If the others will give you more profit, it's excellent. Okay, so try to find a bargain, but try not to exit early. This is one of the most problems that beginners face. That's why I'm trying to explain as much as I can. What is this? Why we stay more? Okay, why we stay more? Why the beginners, they don't stay? It's just because they are scared. They are not confident in what they do. Okay, they think that the market will be against them in any moment. Yes, the market can go upside down or reverse at any moment, but this is not an excuse to exit any good trade. Okay, because you will leave a lot of money. Now, the opposite will happen here when you buy a stock and it goes down and you begin to lose money. Most of the beginners, they don't like to use stop loss because they think if they put stop loss, they exit with a loss. They don't accept the loss. And this is another problem. They stay longer, they don't put stop loss until they have a very big loss, and then they exit because they are so scared and they lose a lot of money. Okay, you see the difference? So if you do this thing, if you exit early when you have profit and you stay late when you have a loss, you have a big loss, you will wipe out your account by the end of the year. 1 year or two, you will have no money in your account because you are doing the opposite of what you should do. Okay, that's why here, why I am here. I'm here just to explain these things very clearly for everybody. Okay, and my training level 6, how to calculate stop loss, training 7, how to follow the uptrend, and training level 8, how to minimize risk and maximize profits. These are the things that you should know and you should practice, because you need to practice. It is not something that comes, it's not something that you know and that's it. Okay, it's not a theory. You should practice. It's like doing any other business. You should practice and practice and practice until you make until you make that much money. Bayan said, no, I am a beginner, but I like the stop loss. Yes, it's a very good that you put stop loss, Bayan, because it protects your money, your whole money, your capital, if you are wrong. Because if you give the market too much from your money each trade, and this is probability that you make a few losers, you will give the market more than it deserves. Okay, you shouldn't give that much. You should give just little, according to the stop loss training level 6. Okay, and if you have something like you have a problem or you don't know how to do it, you can just send me an email, and I can discuss with you the stock, and I will help you how to figure out your risk tolerance and the stock itself. Okay, and always here my email and my website. You can just send me an email and we can discuss that. Now, as I told you, the first problem that you face is psychological problem. You don't want to stay. You are always scared of the market, or you think that it is too much for you. You don't deserve it, and this is not good. You should deserve this money because you select the stock good, and the stock is going good. So why you don't stay that much? I know, I understand. If the stock is against you, you should exit. Yes, but in some probability you should know how to exit. Not just any small correction you exit. If you do that, it means you will exit with all trades, because you want to strangle the stock. You want your stop loss always near the price of the actual price. So you will exit by any fluctuation, day fluctuation, you will exit. So this is not a good way to follow the stock. Okay? And the proof, what I told you, the proof in my live trade, and you see the videos that I have made, and you see how I follow the techniques, and how I say 5 months and 10 days. This is what you should do in other stocks that continue to go up. Okay? So this is what we should do. But to understand that the stocks, when they go like in a trend, it could be 1 month, it could be 2, it could be 6, it could be 8. It depends on the stock itself. So there is no guarantee that the stock will go, all the stocks go 5 months or 2 months or 6 months. Okay? So no one will guarantee you this, because the market is the market. So you can't know if this stock will stay 1 month or 2 or 3, because there is no way to know. Okay? The best thing is to follow the stock day by day. Okay? And Vincent says that I hold for months now, but some stocks I purchase and sell on the same. Oh no. See, Vincent, how you buy a stock today and you sell it today? How? You shouldn't do that. I have never seen. I have never done this myself. So how? Why you buy at the end of the day and you sell it? This is not reasonable. So you should tell me why you buy it at the end of the day and then you sell it. Why you buy and you sell it the same day? If you tell me the next day, maybe, but in the same day, no. So there is something wrong with what you do. So you should tell me, Vincent, why you buy and you sell on the same day. When did you buy the stock? Don't tell me that you buy it in the morning, because this is false. Oh yeah. Okay. I understand right now. So you find opportunity in the morning, you are doing day trading, and then you sell it. No, this is a day trading. Don't mix the two. Okay? Vincent, when you are doing day trading, you should go, for example, to training level 12, how to day trade using candlesticks and the chart. I will show you techniques how to do day trading. It has some specific techniques for day trading. It has nothing to do with swing trading, okay? So don't confuse the two. When you speak to me with day trading, we should speak and focus about day trading techniques, not swing trading techniques. They are not the same, okay? Oh yeah. If you are doing day trading, this is another story, okay? But here, the main thing I am speaking about is I'm speaking about swing trading, which is to stay many days or weeks or months, and this is totally different. Okay, so understand that day trading have some techniques that have no relation with swing trading. That's why training level 12, how to day trading using the candlesticks and chart, the techniques are specific to day trading. Okay? And you know, day trading, you should use the news, you should go in the morning, or you have a list of stocks. I have explained a lot in this training. So if you are speaking about day trading, you should check training level 12. Oh, okay. Vincent says, I know there are different strategy. I have some stocks in swing trading, but when I see opportunity for day trade, I day trade. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. If you have time in the morning and you can do day trading and you begin to see opportunities, why not? Okay, it's a very good thing. Why not? So Bayan asked a question: how do you know it is a day trade versus a swing trade? Okay, Bayan, if you have ordered my training, you would know what I am speaking about, but I will explain. We search at the end of the day, like 3 or 3:15 before the market closes. If you find the signal and the criteria of the chart is very good, we buy at the end of the day and then we close the account. That's it. But you, when you want to do day trading, you do it in the morning. When the action is from 9:30 to 12, this is where the stocks are moving too fast and there is a lot of action. Okay, you don't go at the end of the day like 3:30 or 3:45 and you want to do day trading, because at that time the activity is very slow and the day traders, they go and there is no more opportunity to buy or sell. So we buy at the end of the day. So buying. Which training level have you ordered? Because I see that you don't know the difference between day trading and swing trading. Swing trading is different. It's from training level 1 to training level 10. All these are for swing trading. Okay? If you want to do day trading, is training level 12. How to day trade using candlesticks and charts. So hope you understand. But Bayan, you should tell me even later by email which you have ordered, which training you have ordered, and then I can help you try to understand the difference very well, because training are very specific. If you are doing swing trading, you should go to training level 1 to training level 10. That's it. Okay? This is what we call swing trading, which is short-term trading. We buy at the end of the day when we search using stock screener. Okay? This is what we do. Oh, okay. You have all the levels, but you haven't watched. Okay. No problem. Just begin from the beginning, from training level 1, go to 2, 3, 4, and practice. Whenever you find something that it is confusing or you don't understand, just very quick, don't go to the next level, next training level. Try to understand each training by itself. When you finish that, and you begin to practice, and then you go to the second, to the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. If you have any question, whatever question that comes into your mind or you don't understand, you just send me an email and I will help you with whatever. Here is the email and my website. You can send me an email and I will explain more for you. Okay, with the stock or with something like that. Okay. So, as I told you before, how to stay longer in a trade. First, you should never be scared to stay, because stock market or trading is risky business. If you don't like risk, you should never trade. Let's say you don't want risk. There is no, it's business. Business, you should risk your money to make more. There is no sure thing in any business, especially stock market business. There is no sure thing. Even in the other businesses, do you see that big companies, they go bankrupt? Big companies that you know, that you go to the stores, but they go bankrupt. It's just because competition, because they don't know what to do. They have problems. They have problems on how to sell or how to buy. Even they are big, but they collapse. Okay? So any business is risky. There is no business that it is easy. So you need to practice. You need to have ways to sell more, to buy good products, to sell products, or to make products. Okay. Try to see, for example, Apple. It makes smartphones. Each year you see a new phone. Okay, because they are competing with other companies. If they don't compete, they left behind. So the people, they don't like them, they will go to Samsung, for example, and they can buy South Korean phones, and they leave USA phones. Okay, so Apple makes a lot of research each year, and they make new features. Okay, so this is technology. And even in big retail, okay, some companies, big companies, they collapse and they go bankrupt and they stop doing business. It's just because they don't know how to do business anymore. Before it was easy for them, but now it was difficult. So understand that if you want to do trading business, it is risky, so you should be okay with the risk. You should risk your money in order to make money. Okay? But if you are scared, each money you put $2,000 or $5,000, you are scared to lose $100, $200, and you are scared, and when you lose, you are in a bad mood, and this is not doing business. It means you are living on your emotions. You should take your emotions out of your business. Your business, you understand what you are doing, how to search, how to buy. If there is a loser, yes, there are losers in the market. Because you can't know when you buy a stock tomorrow it will go up. You will never know. So don't expect too much. Try to do the right thing on the right time and leave the other things for the future. Don't worry about the future. Okay? If you buy today a stock, at the end of the day, tomorrow it goes up. Okay, you begin to make money. So why you are scared? Okay? Staying more and more, you can make more and more money. Okay, so this is the first thing I mentioned, which is people, they don't want to stay because they are scared of the market. They think that the market will go against them, or they have never seen such money. They want to just to have a decision and to take this money from the market, and that's it. And all these excuses are false. All the excuses, because if you exit early and you see the stock is skyrocketing, okay, it goes so high that you will never imagine. You say, why I exit this trade at 25 and now this stock is 50 after 2 months? Why I exit? Okay, this happens always. So you should try to change that. So Vincent says, let's say one stock that went up 20% in one day, 7 in second day, 31 in third day, 21 in fourth day, and you want to buy it in the fifth day. Won't you be afraid it would be a sell-off? No, see, first for me, I don't see percentage. I should see the stock, how it moves, and if there is possibility to make money, yes or no. Why you chase a stock that you are too late? Why? Okay, you think, for example, that this is the only stock in the market. No, there are hundreds of stocks daily in the market. So why you are chasing? You chase one because you see that it has a very big trend, and this is a beginner's idea. Okay, when we buy the stock, we don't see the trend, and no one see it. You should buy it early, according to the criteria that we use. But if the trend is very clean and everybody see it, no, the stock can go down at any moment. It's just because it is clean. All the beginners, they know it. You think it's a very easy trade, but no, it is a very difficult, because all the people know about it. Now, for example, I bought the stock at $13, okay? most of the, when you see the volume, you see the volume is low, okay? Not a lot of people discover this stock. But after 5 months, 6 months, the people, they discover it. So at any time, the stock can go down. That's why I put stop loss near. If things go bad, these 3 days, the stock is going bad. So if tomorrow, like Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, if it go down, hit my stop loss, I will exit. Okay? So it's not good to see the trend. When you see the trend, you are late. This is what I say to you, Vincent. And Vincent, you can send me this stock and I can see it in the chart and I will let you know, okay? Hello, wise man. Hope to see you again. Yes, as he says, Wiseman says, just how some meat take longer to cook. Yes, when we do lamb rotisserie, the whole lamb, the whole animal, and we try to roast it for many hours, it takes time, 4 hours or 5 times, okay, to make that lamb. But believe me, the meat will be so delicious because it's not fast food. That's why the taste is different. Thank you very much, wise man. So you should stay longer in the trade to get profits. Yes. But see, I'm telling you something else. Sometimes you exit early because you get a profit that you have never thought of. I will tell you an example. One example, I have put it on YouTube like 2 years ago. It's called ANAC. A-N-A-C. The stock was $78. I bought it today. Tomorrow it goes $135. I sold it. When I see a big deal, a big gap up, a lot of money, I sell in the morning. Okay? Most of the time, stocks don't go up after that. But I can do another thing. I can buy, I can sell half of my shares and I put a stop loss near. If 1 day or 2 or 3 the stock doesn't go up, I will be selling the other half. This is another option. But most of the time when I see a big money, I will sell. This is not because I am scared to stay. No, it is because of the mechanic of the trading. Most of the time when the stock goes up, like a gap up, it goes up a lot of short sellers, they come to short sell the stock. It means to fill the gap down. And a lot of people sell. So for me, I don't want to have the same problem as the others and to wait until I lose all my profits, which is I double my money. Okay? It's not because I double my money, it's not because I have 100%, that's why I sell. No, I don't like to think about percentage, but I think about money in terms of the stock possibility or probability to go up again or no. This is what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about the trend. Is there a trend? Yes or no? Shall I stay more because the stock is going up? Yes or no? I'm not thinking about percentage. Second thing that I want to speak, first, as I told you, we have spoken about people who are scared to stay. They think that the stock market is against them, or they think that it is a lot of money. This is the first problem that the beginners have. Second problem is that some people think about percentage or about days. Someone sent me an email and he tells me this. Let me drink some coffee and then I speak. Someone sent me an email and says, I should sell my stock when it is 10%. I asked him why. And he told me there is one guru who said you should 10% sell. Now, I will tell him, let's be logic. Okay, let's be logic here. Now, who tells you that the stock will not go to 20% or 30 or 50 or 60? Who tells you? Does this guru knows how the stocks go? Does he know that the stocks will stop at 10 and then they go down? This guru doesn't know nothing about stocks. It's because if he made the strategy just because 10% he exit, he thinks that it is a lot of money. For me, I will never exit until I see the stock doesn't go up anymore. And this is how the techniques works. Okay? If you do the same as me, you will make the most of any stock that you have. But if the stock doesn't go up and heading down, you will be exiting. That's it. Okay? There is no problem with that. But you will never know. Okay? You will never know. That's why the idea is to stay more and more and more and more. Now, how do you know these techniques? I explained in training level 7, and you find the techniques. Please go to the videos, watch them, see my live video. If you have a question or you have something that you don't understand, you can send me an email and we can speak about it. Okay? And here is my email. And there is another thing I want to tell you guys, since we are speaking. In my website, I put Messenger, you know, Facebook Messenger in my website on the left side. If you go to my website, you find my picture, you click on it, and you can send me a message by Messenger. Or you can go to my my Facebook page. Okay, I will just give it to you, and then you can send me a private message in Messenger, and this will be a very good thing you can do. This is very easy because you do it from your cell phone. You don't need to go to a website or to go something. So so you just and here is my, okay, I just try to see okay, so let's see, I put it here. This is my Facebook, let's see here. Yes, my Facebook page. Okay, it's a Djellala fan page. If you go, you can have the message and you can message me. Okay, this is very easy. A way to interact with me, and I am most of the time I am always online. So whenever I get a message from you, I will answer it directly. Okay, without going to the email. If you like the email, it's okay, but it depends on you and what you like. So so this is the second thing, as I told you, which is percentage. When you follow the stock, forget about percentage. Okay? Percentage is a false thing. Anyone who tells you by percentage, he doesn't understand how the stock moves. The stocks move not because of percentage. Because why you stop, why you exit because of percentage? Does the stock send you a message and they say, okay, I will stop at 10%? Does the market or the broker tells you that the market, that this stock will stop at 10%? No. So this is just a bad idea to take. Okay, bad idea to stop yourself from getting more money from a stock. I would never do that. Okay, I will never do that. I will never sell my stock because of percentage. Because percentage, what is the logical idea behind it? If I ask you this question, what is the logical idea behind percentage? There is no logical thing. If you understand that the stocks, you will never know when they stop. So why you do percentage? That's why some people get misled by other people and they think they are doing right. They bought a good stock. The stock begins to go up. They reach by 10%, and they follow this guru and they sell. Yes, they have profit, but after a few days, the stock goes 15%, 25%, 50%, 100%, sometimes even 200 or 300%. Okay? One time I bought a stock, let's say at $11.55. This is where I bought the stock. $11.55. The second day, it goes to $19.50. The third day goes to $29.50. So in 3 days, I'm getting around 280% in 3 days. So you understand, if you sell your stock the first day, you are getting, let's say, 50%, you say this is it, and then 2 days more you will get nearly 300%. What's this trading that you are doing? You are doing a false trading techniques, and this will lead in depriving yourself from getting more money from the market. Sometimes the market is very generous. This is sometimes happens. Sometimes you are in a gold nugget. It's like you go to a gold mine. This is what I like. I always speak about gold mines because I like them. You go to a gold mine and you take a small rock. We have little gold, and you go home happy. But you leave all the gold in the gold mine. Okay? This is what happened to you. You leave all the gold in the market, all the money in the market, and you take just little. And this is very bad. Okay? Now, as we have spoken, I told you the first reason is you are scared of the market. You don't wait. You don't want to to stay longer. You don't want to hold more. This is psychological. The second thing I tell you is because there is a percentage. Okay? Some people, they use days. They say, okay, you stay in the stock 1 week and then you exit. Why you specify 1 week or 2 days or 5 or 1 month or 2 weeks? Why? You will never know what will happen in 1 week or 2. So don't limit yourself with time. Okay? Time, it is something good, but it is not what makes you the money. Sometimes, as I told you, you buy a stock today, tomorrow we have a gap up. So it's not the time that gives you the money, it's the news. Okay? Sometimes you stay 2 months in the stock and then you get 10% of the stock. That's it, what you get. So the time is not really something that you can make money from. It's the only thing you make money from is if you get this clear in your mind, you will be making money. The thing is, you should see if the stock is still giving you money. That is the reason we stay. If the stock is going back and eating all your money, there is a way to exit early and not to give all your profits to the stock. Okay? There are techniques that I use. Now, my live trade, if you get it and you watch it, it is in training level 7, how to follow an uptrend, and it is in the subscription. If you go there, I am in lesson 23. If you go there, you will find that that the way I see things is what I explain right now. You see it in practice. Why I should do this, why I don't do that, why is that, what is the reason for this, and then you can understand how I work. Now when you understand the techniques and you apply the same, you will be making money for sure in the future, because you follow good techniques and how to follow stocks, and this is what makes the money. Okay, well, we don't make the money staying 1 day or two in the old stocks. You can never make that. If you want to do 1 day, you should do day trading, and you stop doing swing trading, because swing trading you need time. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I think I have spoken about a lot of things about how to stay longer, and that's why you should always divide your account into mini stocks. At least if one is making money for you, you just leave it making money for you, and the other money that you have other positions, you just stay with other positions as they stay, because you will understand, do as I do. Now for me, I have always stocks in the market. If the stock, I exit the stock, whatever is the exit, is it with a profit or with a loser, I replace it. That's it, what I do. So I am not, that's why some people ask me, how much time you take in the day to study the stocks? I say, well, what is this study of stocks? I don't study stocks as you might think. For me, I see my criteria, I search at the end of the day, I put the stocks into the chart, I follow my criteria of selection, of stock selection. If I find 1 or 2 that I need, I buy. If I don't need stocks, I will not search. I will not go to my broker at all. Why should I go? If my stocks are going good and I see in the chart they are doing good, why should I go to my broker and open it? Okay? I don't even search. It doesn't take 2 minutes or 3 to see where I am with stocks. You should do the same as I do, and you will have plenty of time for yourself. You don't need to be in the market looking at the stocks, as someone told me. Someone sent me an email and he says, each morning I will wait and I will see my stocks. I say, why you are waiting and looking at the stocks? Are you doing day trading? He say, no. What are you doing? He told me I'm doing swing trading. I say, swing trading, you should never take and check your stocks every 30 minutes or every 10 minutes or every 1 hour. This is not swing trading. Swing trading is, if you can check in the morning, the early morning, just to see if there is a gap up or there are news, yes. But usually check at 3 o'clock at the end of the day and see if you exit a trade, you can buy another one, or you just check how your stocks do. Hello, Shibwick, Ashi. Why do you prefer buying expensive stocks? No, I don't buy expensive stocks. I buy whatever stock that I like and it is good in my criteria. Like this stock I bought. It's only $13. It's not expensive. I can buy 7, I can buy $4, I can buy 50 or 100, 150, whatever is the stock, okay, I will buy it. It's just because I like it. It goes through my criteria, that's why I buy it. But for example, Shubwiki Ashi, if I have pronounced your name good, I don't know, where are you from? Your name seems like Japanese or Chinese, or I don't know. Where are you from, Ashi? So, if I search, I find a stock, I don't see if it is big or small. I try to see if it is attractive and it is good with the selection, criteria selection, and I should buy it, yes or no. Okay? Now, sometimes I buy small stocks. Sometimes I buy, oh, you are from Nigeria? Okay. So so the way I buy stocks is any stock. But now if let's say you have small account, you can't buy bigger stocks because you don't have money. Let's say you have 2,000 or you have 5,000 or you have $10,000. Okay, you can't buy Google, which is $900. You can't because you don't have money. Okay, you are going to struggle if you buy a bigger stock. That's why you go and you buy smaller stocks. That it is $1 or $2 or $5 or $7 because this is the kind of stock that you can buy. But these kind of stocks are risky. They are volatile. They are risky. So they are very dangerous for the beginners. Some beginners, they don't know, but I will tell you that it is dangerous, okay, for them because they move too fast, up and down. Okay, so as I told you before, following a stock and staying longer is a skill that you should focus on, that you should study. You should go to training level 7, how to follow an uptrend, and you take all these techniques and you see my live trade, 5 months and 10 days, and I'm still in this trade, and I make live videos and I explain how to follow the trend. Okay? Please, if you have we are at the end of the session today. It is I just want to make this live. Normally I make it on Saturday night because last Saturday I go to the mountain. I go to the mountains. That's why I can't make the live video. So I make it today just to let the people know that we'll make another one. And I believe in Saturday at 11 o'clock, the same hour, we will do another subject, another theme, and we speak about other things. Okay? So guys, since you are watching, please, if you have questions, I can take your questions and we can stay longer and longer if I find more questions to answer. And this video, it will be processed tomorrow, and you can watch it again if you missed. If you come late, you can see what we have talked about. But it is the same thing that I have spoken about. Samir Smaili, how are you? He asks, do you only swing trade for a living? What is your work-life balance like? No, for me, yes, I do swing trading as a full-time. It means this is what I do, and I have my own business. I'm teaching other people. This is what I do in real life. I don't have another job or another thing. This is what I do. But swing trading doesn't take me that much time because, as you can see, if you have taken my training, at 3 o'clock we search for stocks for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You find one stock or two and you buy them. That's it. You put stop loss. That's it. Your work. You work, for example, 20 minutes or half an hour in that day. If the next days the stocks are going up, you don't work at all because you just check on the chart, the free chart that I'm using. You see the stocks are going up. That's it. So you don't need to study stocks as to see the balance sheet and to see the fundamentals of the company and this stuff. I don't use that because I don't invest in these companies. The reason why we do swing trading because it is easier and we have a lot of time for ourselves. That's why I go to the mountains on the weekend. I go for 2 nights and 3 days. Okay? If I am doing day trading, it will be difficult. I should be always in the morning here. I should be doing a lot of stuff, news and a lot of stuff. I have done this before, but it is not a good thing for me. That's why I choose swing trading as a specialty. This is what I do. Thank you, Samir, for your question. Ashi asked you a question. Do you recommend adding on to your winning stocks? Yes. Sometimes I do at the beginning. At the beginning, I will do that, but not after 6 months I am in a trade. Like now, the live trade that I am in, I would never add on, because it might be I am 5 months and 10 days. It might be that this week or next week the stock will be heading south, and I will not add more. I add more at the beginning, which is a very good thing to add in the beginning. Not, and there are techniques. There are techniques on how to add. It's not just you buy and then you buy. No, there are techniques to how to do it. Samir, thank you very much for your question. Thank you. Samir, are you in the USA, or are you in Morocco or something, or other place? Because if you are here, you can have all the good things like brokers and the thing, but in Morocco I don't know if you are Moroccan. So as I told you before, it's always good to practice. As she asks, do breakouts work in all market cycle? No, see, I don't see breakouts. I have my own techniques. Okay, not any breakout will go up, and the market cycle. We have what we call industry rotation, not market cycle. It's called industry rotation. I have made many videos. You put industry rotation and you will watch these videos and you understand what I am saying. It's not a market cycle as the people they say in the market. Oh, you are from yes, I know you are from Canada, but what is your origin? Ismaili? Are you Egyptian or Moroccan or what? I know that you are maybe you are living. Canada is a very good country, you know. Alas, in Canada we have a lot of gold and a lot of things. That's why it's very good there. So I have a lot of friends in Canada also, and I have taught a lot of Canadian, either from other Arabs or other people who are living there, English speaking or French speaking people. So as I told you before, the main thing. Oh, you are Lebanese? Okay, that's good. Good people. Lebanese are good people. They are really businessmen. I like them because of this thing they have. They are good businessmen. They are everywhere in the world, and they are doing good business always. Now, as I told you, this session for today is to develop the skill of staying longer in trades, and this is what makes you money in swing trading. Oh, you are living in Edmonton, Alberta. Oh, okay. I have some friends in Quebec, the French speaking guys. I have some friends there, and I have friends everywhere. So this is a good thing, and welcome, Samir. And as I told you, you should stay more, make more money, and don't be scared of the market. These things you will study, you will practice in order to be good at it. It's not something that you just learn and that's it. No, because the stocks doesn't move the same, and this is another problem. There is no. You should never study patterns. And if the stock do this, and no, all these patterns that you see, indicators that the people use, are not a good source of following the stocks. Okay, even people who just stay, they don't put stop loss, they just stay. Sometimes the stock goes against them, and they take all their money because they stay too much, and they don't take action. For us, we take actions. We are following closely the stock, what it is doing. If it's going wrong, it doesn't give us money, so we have time to exit with our profit, okay, if the stock is not giving money anymore. Okay, so thank you very much. we have done a good session, and I will be waiting for a few questions if you have. If you don't have questions, as I told you, there is the Facebook Messenger. So you can go to my Facebook and you can send me messages there, which is very quick because you have cell phone and you just find the message and you message me, and that's very good. That's very good to get a good response very quickly, because most of the time I am online and I can answer your questions at any time. Okay, so please, if you have more questions, ask. And if you don't have more questions, the session is at the end, at its end. Edmonton has very huge shopping mall. Okay, what do? You are going to shop? Everywhere where you go, you find shopping mall or shopping malls. So you just spend money. Okay, that's very good. Wherever you go. Yes, yes. Okay, that's very good thing. Now, if you please, I will be waiting 1 minute or two. Please, if you have more questions about this, those who watch my videos about live trade, it's very good for them because they can understand what I am doing and where I am going with my trade. For those who want to reach me either by Facebook or by email, please, here is my email and my website. You can check my website, you can check my email. No, Samir, no. Hello guys, there is the thing stops and then goes back. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Because I see it is live right now, but it stops for a minute. Okay, so as I told you before. Oh, okay, thank you very much. As I told you, Samir, the streaming session has stopped suddenly, but it comes back. So I will continue what I am saying. I don't use indicators and I don't use moving averages that all the people use. I don't use them. I don't use news or company fundamentals. I don't use nothing, okay, about what the people do. That's why my strategies are very simple, and they are extremely different from all what you see, okay, because most of the people they use indicators because they don't know what to do out of indicators. Understand that one indicator is a strategy by itself, made by a trader before, okay? So it doesn't work in all markets. So it works in one way, but it doesn't work in the other thing. So if you are relying on them, it will give you false signals, and you will be losing money using it. That's why, for me, if you see my charts on YouTube, you will never find I use indicator or use moving averages. My chart is clean when you see it. The only thing I use are resistance line, support line, signals, and my own criteria that I developed. All I do is having my signals through my criteria and through my stock selection. Okay, stop loss also. I have my way to do it. It's not the same as the other people. Now, how to follow the stock? I have my own techniques. I don't use indicators, because the people, they use indicators and they exit the trade, and then the stock is going up, so they don't know what to do. So Samir, all these that the people are using, and maybe you or other friends you are using, I don't use. So my strategy is very simple, very clean, and it is better for everyone. And whatever you do as a trade, you buy and you sell and you exit because of an indicator. If you send me the trade, I will tell you if you are wrong, yes or no, with my strategy, not with the indicators, because I don't believe in them. Okay, and I don't use moving averages. I don't use news of the company or fundamentals or balance sheet or whatever. Okay, the most important thing for some stocks is earnings dates. Yes, it's very dangerous, so if you want to stay, you stay. If you don't, you exit. That is the most important thing for stocks. Okay, other things, I don't use any indicators. So as I told you before, which is a very good thing, that I will be with you today, and we have spoken about this, how to stay longer in a trade, and this is how you make money, and this is the best way to make money from stocks if you are doing swing trading, or what we call short-term trading. Okay, hello Chris de Guzman. Oh, you come late, man. Chris de Guzman says, hi Karim, do you record your trades made like trade journal? Yes, you should do a good habit to see where you bought the stock, where you sell it, and even you can leave a part where you put your comments. If there is a comment, or if there is something happen, or that you lose because there is a gap down, or because of the news, or why you sell, for example. Okay, and this trading journal stays with you many years, and then you see yourself if you are doing better and better. Sometimes you are doing a mistake for a long time, but you don't know, and your trading journal gives you this information. Because if you use the broker information, you will be having problems because of the settlement of the day, of the trade and the other. So the information of the broker, it will be different from your information. So, and see Chris, if you put trading journal in my channel, you search it, you will find one video or two showing you how to do the trading journal, how to make it. It's very simple. You will find columns, and each column what you should do in it. So this will be a very, very good thing for you. And in the coming years, if you want to check a trade, you will see it, and then you see, oh, I did a mistake, I shouldn't buy it here, I should buy it in that area, but I was mistaken. Or you exit a trade, and then the stock goes up, and the stock will be so good, and then you say, I do a mistake, I exit early and I shouldn't. And you see, and you will see, you correct your mistakes, because this will stay with you forever. Okay, and this is a very good thing. You can go to my channel. Thank you very much, Chris. Just go to my channel, the search, put a trading journal. You will get one video or two or three, and you watch them, and you will see how I made the thing, and you do the same as me, because this is what I do, and it is very, very simple. It doesn't take time. Whenever you have, you can have a notepad. Okay, a notepad, or you can have papers, and you can do the trade as you like. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you do, but you do what is good for you. But you should record your trades by yourself, and you even put your account price, your account capital. For example, 1st of January, you can begin with that. Let's say your account is $10,500. 1st of January 2018, just an example. Now, you will stay until 31st December, and you will see your account balance, how much money you make. Okay, and you can see what are the good trades, what are the bad trades, what do you do as mistake. Okay, this is a very good thing to follow your trades, and because you are doing a business, you are taking this serious. You should know what you are doing, not just you just do trade, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. At the end of the year, you will find that you are losing money, but you don't understand why you lost money, what is the problems. Although in my in training level 17, how to solve your trading problems, I give 28 problems and their solutions. Now if the people are like want to see that, they can do that. Thank you very much, Chris. And this is a good thing you remember me of this trading journal, because a lot of beginners, they don't use it because it's boring. Okay, yes, if you do trading as a business, even if you have small account, this is a small account, you can save more money and more money, and you trade and you trade, and the small account becomes a big account. It's like a 401k. You put little money each paycheck, you put little, but by the years, your account goes from 10,000, goes to 200,000, 300,000, 500,000. And this is how the people make money. It means you save more and you trade and you do what is your best in order to make your business grow up. Okay, in capital. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Please, if you have many questions, you just ask as you ask me now. Thank you, Chris, for your question, and Samir, and the other guys who asked me many questions, and it's very good. Always, when even when you forgot and you have a question you want to ask, just send me an email, and I will be helping you for whatever you want, or direct you to my training and see what you need to study, because my trainings are different. Thank you very much, Samir. Thank you very much, Chris. Yes, I have changed my discount, and the biggest discount I give right now is 70%. 70% for videos. Let me see if this works. 70% discount for videos and 80% for ebooks. When you go to the training by videos, for example, you click on the training and you see the discount. You will see it, how much discount. It's 70% for videos, and this discount is just for some time. Then I change it because it is the biggest discount I have given until now. Okay, so I will never know. Whenever I change it, I change it. So whatever. If you see the videos, some people they like the videos because they are interactive. Some people they like just to read and to see the chart. So it depends on you. Okay, it depends on you. If you like. And there is no big difference. 70% discount here and 80%. It's not a big deal between them. But most of the people they buy videos because you will watch them all over the year, and they are not downloadable. It means you download the videos. The ebooks, yes, you download them. Okay, but you get just the ebooks. You don't get videos. So some people they like videos better, and if I want to add information, I will add on videos better than, because videos are easy. Because in ebooks I should write another ebook and you should change things, but videos I will just add videos and the information. That's why they pay more, so they should get more service than ebooks. Okay. Now, Samir, you can send me an email, and if you buy at least one or two, you order one or two, and then I will keep, even if they change the discount, I will keep it for you if you buy. But if you don't buy and things change, it will be that discount. Thank you very much, Michael Martin. Why you come late? we nearly finished 15 minutes ago. If they don't ask me questions, I will be exiting the thing. So why you come late? Thank you very much, Wiseman. Thank you very much, all of you guys. We are at the end of this session. If you have a question, please ask right now. Now, if you don't, yes, thank you. See, this is my promise, Samir. If you buy at least one, okay, I will keep the discount for you. Even after a few weeks, I will keep it for you. You just send me another email if there is a change, and you tell me, Karim, give me the 70%. I will give you the 70%. Okay? You can choose any training, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, or whatever training that you like. You can begin with training 12 or 2, for example, how to search for stocks using stock screening. This is very good. You can use my chart, the free chart that I'm using, because in USA, in Canada, they have the same chart. We have the same Canadian stocks and USA stocks, so it will be very good for you. Hello, Minyapan Money. You come late. Why you come late? We have been speaking 1 hour and 36 minutes. Hello, Minyapan. How are you? As I told you, no. See what I will tell you, Samir. Go and buy whatever and see yourself. If you find a lot of information, you just go. Normally, most of the people that buy from 1 to 10, this is the basics. This is, you get all my strategies, the basics. It means you don't need more than this. If you are a beginner, you don't need more than this in swing trading. But if you want to do more difficult things, you should go to shorting stocks like day trading. You should do day trading. You should do buying from the support line, investing for the long run with dividend, solving your problems that you have in your account. This is for advanced students. Okay, so you do whatever you want. Just you buy one and you see it. If you find it good, believe me, you will go and order all the 10, because all my students, they buy everything, especially the 10, the first 10, from 1 to 10. If you want to drop others, it's your choice. I can't oblige you to buy everything. That's your thing. But read what you have in each training before you buy it. Read, okay, what you get. If you are okay with that, you order. If not, you just leave it. Oh, Martin, you get it 20 minutes, the notification? Oh, YouTube is not doing good job then. No, see, I have done this like 10 hours or 20 hours before, but I deleted it and made the live directly from the stream now. Okay? Yeah, see, Minyapan, there is no problem. Today I want just to do it because last Saturday we didn't do it. Normally I do it on Saturday. So I will do another one, if God wills, next Saturday. And you can come all together and we can speak more and more. Ashi, you ask, do you teach options? I have one training for options for beginners. It's, I think, training level 14. How to understand call options and put options. If you want to just to understand what is it and how to do it, you can take this training. But I am not giving more explanations and more training for that. Yes, yes, yes. You are right, Samir. You are say, for example, since you don't know my training, you can begin with, let's say, 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. How to search for stocks using Stock Screener, how to search for stocks using an industry index, and stock selection, how to select stocks. These are the beginning on how to select a stock. This is my strategies. Okay, it will be different from what you know. Then training level 5, how to search for stocks. Training level 5, how to make money from the stocks. I will give you the concept of probabilities that I use in order to make the money. It's different from other people. It's not, for example, the ratio between winners and losers that is making you money. No, it's not that. I have another concept, and I will explain and will give you examples to understand. Then we have training level 6, how to calculate stop loss. You will understand how to do it. It's different from what you know. And training level 7, how to follow an uptrend. It shows you how to follow stocks with my techniques. And then 8, how to minimize risk and to maximize profit. This shows you what to do in your account, position sizing, and a lot of stuff. So this is the beginning. So you can whatever you want to order, you order. And then if you have questions, just ask me questions. This is a very good thing. Ask me questions, and I find I put learn more each all the videos from training level 1 to training level 19. I put each time learn more. You click that, you will get the description of the training. You will get the benefits. Okay, at least you understand what you are going to order. Don't just click and buy and then it's not what you are looking for. Okay. Yes, Anish, I am always going Saturday 11 p.m. Eastern time. I always do. Okay, let's see. Saturdays at 11 p.m. Eastern time, New York time. Okay, Eastern time. This is what I always do. Today is just an exception. Today is just an exception. Please start WhatsApp broadcast. See, I have never used WhatsApp. I have never used that. It's just because, because YouTube, all my students are in YouTube. So in WhatsApp, I don't have an account. I have an Instagram, but I'm not very good at it. Even Facebook, I'm not good at it. Samir, you asked a question. You said, one last question. Buying of support and resistance is when you enter your position, correct? Yes, but resistance and support line, there are hundreds of support line and resistance line. So I am not working like the other people do. Okay, if you think that it is just any support line, any resistance line, and you can buy, no. There are thousands of stocks that are in that situation, but they are not what we are looking for. What we are looking for is, you see the chart. There are some criteria that we should see, and we should see the signal. The signal, you should get it when you search at 3 o'clock when you want to buy stock. So you do the search at 3 o'clock. At the end of the day, it's not in the morning, it's not. So we have specific criteria. Okay, so Anish, I have never used the WhatsApp broadcast. I have never used it. Maybe in the future, I don't know. A lot of people are in WhatsApp, but I am not. It's just because YouTube, all the people who are following, who are searching for information, most of them are in YouTube. Okay, Thank you, Samir. Thank you very much. And next time it is on Saturdays at 11 p.m. Eastern time. Always I do, but sometimes, you know, sometimes there is I have another activity or another thing. Like last week, I go to the mountains, so I can't do. That's why I always send notification by YouTube. Okay, if you are, I might do a notification if you are my student. It means you you already ordered a training, or you have the free training about the chart. If you go to my website, you find the free training. Okay, and then if you are there, you can get a notification that I will be doing. But stay tuned. Saturday 11 p.m. Eastern time. Most of the time I am there on YouTube. Okay, so thank you very much for all your questions. And Anish, you can send me an email. Let's see, you can send me an email and ask me when, if you are confused. Okay, here is my email, my website. Okay, you can send me an email and ask me when I do it, but most of the time it's this time. It's Saturdays 11 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the thing. Now this video will be published tomorrow, so if you don't if you haven't if you come late, you can see what we have talked about for this 1 hour 45 minutes. You will see it live. You will see the video again on YouTube, the last video, and you can watch it again. If you have questions, always, here is my email, here is my website. Just send me an email. And as I told you before, some people, you can use Facebook Messenger. Now this is something that I didn't, the people, they don't know, but it exists. Facebook Messenger. You go to my website and you find Facebook tab. You click on it. You go to my web. You can go to my Facebook. Here is my page, and you can send me. Here is my page, my Facebook page, and you can send me a message by Messenger from your cell phone. It will be very, very easy. You just have your cell phone, you have problem, you just send me a message. It's a Djellala fan page. Okay, and you just send me a message, or you can send me an email. Whatever you do is good, and I will answer you. Most of the time I use email a lot, and everyone who you send me an email, you will get a very quick answer. And you can use also the Facebook. Sir, when will you upload another live stock video? You mean live stream like this? I do live stream on Saturdays at 11 p.m. Eastern time. And this video that I am doing right now, it will be published tomorrow. You can watch it tomorrow, this live video. I don't know if I have understood your question, Minyapan. Minyapan, you have my Facebook, and you always send me messages, so you can send me a message, whatever something you need. You just send me a private message. But I don't understand what you mean by upload another live stock video. If you mean the live like now, I will do it always on Saturdays 11 p.m. Eastern time. This is what I always do it. Today is an exception. Okay, today is an exception. I just do it. Okay. I hope Minyapan, I have answered your question. If it's not clear, you just you can change the wording and you can tell me your question again. So it was a good time to see you guys. So Anish Menon asked me about WhatsApp broadcast. I have never used WhatsApp. Even Facebook, I don't use it that much. Oh, yeah. You mean training level 7? Yes. I have added lesson 23. Did you check it? Lesson 23. Go and check it. I have uploaded this. The last one is lesson 23. There is no another one until maybe the end of the week, until I see, because the stock is going down and it's nearly touching my stop loss. Maybe I will exit this week, so I don't know. So if you see 23, you are updated. It means the information is updated with lesson 23. If there is 24, it means there is a change. Maybe I exit the trade, maybe, and most of the time I will do it on when I exit the trade, because right now I'm still in the trade. Okay, so I hope you watched the video, and if you have questions, you always send me a private message and I will answer you back, or you go to Facebook. You go to Facebook and you send me a message, as you do. I know, Minyapan, you are one of the first. You are one of the first who use Facebook Messenger, but most of the people. Oh, you have watched 23. That is the last one. I will not do another video until the end of the week, until I see what's going on. The stock has been going down, but I will not make a video until I exit or until the stock goes up. Okay? So this is what I do usually. I will not just go and each day do a video, because it's boring. There is no information, so I shouldn't just do video for video. I do video because there is the new information, and I will announce that if there is a new lesson or something, or just to check. Okay, so we are nearly 1 hour 52 minutes or 53 minutes. So please, if you have if you have more questions about how to stay longer in a trade, you can ask it now, or you can send me a private message, or you send me by Facebook, and I will be there to answer your questions. Chris de Guzman asks me a new question. You said your broker only accepts USA citizens. What about non-citizen but currently residing in the USA? Now, Chris de Guzman, I have no idea. My broker Options House was bought with E-Trade. So you should go to E-Trade and either call them or chat with them. You should go to E-Trade, you can find the chat, or you can call them directly and you ask them about your situation and ask them if you can make you apply for a broker, because I don't know. I don't know your situation. Okay? It's very easy. You just call them, or you find a chat, you tell them what is your situation. If you have a visa, a student visa or work visa or whatever visa, you should ask them your situation. And yes, if you don't find my broker, try to find another broker, because other brokers, they accept international traders. Okay, you can check other. There is no problem. but just to check commissions and fees. If they are good for you, if they are expensive or something, forget about it. Okay? And if you want more help, Chris, you can send me an email and tell me what is your situation, or you can directly go to the website eTrade and you can ask them question. Michael asked another question. Do you have any other strategies for swing trading apart from what's in the training levels? See, the first 10 trainings, training level 1 to 10, this is the basics, you go long. Now I have training level 13, how to buy from the support line. This, it has 2 or 3 techniques on how to buy from the support line, either the bottom or not the bottom. It is a way to buy from the bottom, but it is difficult. That's why I put it in training level 18. There is another training about the quick strategy on how to enter and to stay a few days, like 1 week. You don't exceed that. This is for the people who buy a lot of shares and they don't want to stay that much. Okay, this is another training level 15. I have another training about the indexes. Okay, indexes, you can use the indexes ETFs and you can do my training. It means instead of buying a stock, you can buy an index and you do the same techniques. And there is another training, which is training level 18, how to short the whole market with indexes. This, if you see an index is going down, you can buy an ETF, reverse ETF, and you can go shorting the stock, but you don't short the stock. You are shorting only an index, and it's not the same as shorting a stock, because shorting a stock is more dangerous. You should do it. You should short the stock in the day. Don't do it as swing trading, because I don't short the stock in swing trading. I don't do it, but I do it with indexes. If you are interested to know this strategy, it's very good when you see a lot of indexes, a lot of industries going down. So it's an opportunity to check this training and to buy for the long run. You can stay even 6 months or 1 year. You follow this index that there is a sell-off and there is a long downtrend. But you should do it at the beginning. Don't do it at the end of the thing, because it will be, anyone can do it at that time, but no one will make the money at that time. So this is for Michael. And Michael, I know that you have ordered mini training. Check the other training that I told you. Training level 18. Yes, training level 18. How to short the indexes and sectors and indexes. Try to see training level 13, how to buy from the support line, and training 15. It's the quick strategy, just to go for a few days. So Minyapan says, the reason I am asking is to upload another stock means I can get the experience to follow the stock with different charts. No. See, Minyapan, I don't understand what you mean different charts. Why you want different charts for one stock? What kind of charts that you want? We use a daily chart. It means you see the candlestick, it is 1 day. So I don't understand what you mean. Minyapan, you can send me a message and you explain. You explain what you mean. Nasri de la Noche, you come late, man. You are bonsoir. Yes, I know you are late because this is just an exception. I do it today because I didn't do it on Saturday. I was in the mountains. Okay, So I don't do it on that day. So I do this today, and I will do it another one on Saturday as usual. Okay, so you can watch this video tomorrow if you want, if you see what we are going to sell. I am not asking another video about the same stock which you have uploaded. I am not asking another video about. So what if you could upload a video about different stock, it will be so helpful. Oh yeah. Oh, you mean another stocks? Yes, I am preparing another stock from the bottom, and I will upload it when I finish with this one. Because people understand, in Japan, the people they think that if I select a stock, it is a winner. No, I have other stocks that are losers. But losers, what you should do with the loser? You buy a stock today, tomorrow it goes down, and then it is a loser. I shouldn't show you those, because they are normal ones. I don't show them because they are normal. You don't learn anything. It's just a stop loss. Okay? And some people, they want to buy with me, and it's not. I am not showing you the stocks to buy with me. Okay? Because sometimes if there is a big gap down or something and you lose a lot of money and you come to me and say, oh, I bought the stock with you and they have a gap down, I lose money. So I am not here. What I am doing, I am teaching you how to do it. I am not giving you stock picks. So in Japan, if you are thinking about stock picks, I am not giving you stock to buy with me. Okay, because for me, I bought a lot of stocks. All the stocks that go down and they are losers, I just ignore them, because you can do nothing. You can't push them to go up. Okay. So, but I understand what you mean. I understand. I will do another video, videos about other stocks in the future. Yes, but I am still with this one. So, Michael Martin says, instead of shorting the ETF, would it be better to go long on the inverse ETFs if there is one? Yes, this is what we call the inverse ETFs. This is what we call by shorting. You don't, I am not shorting the ETF. That's why you should understand me very well. I told you I don't short sell stocks in swing trading. I don't do it, because there is a big danger of doing that. So I am using inverse ETFs. But I will show you the techniques, how to do it, because it's not just any stock that ETF that is going down and you just use the inverse ETFs and it's okay. No, it's not like this. So if it is so easy, all the people will make money without any strategy. Hey, Morocco United Project, you come late. We are at the end of the thing, but it's okay. So Morocco, it's we always do this live on Saturdays at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mark. You said you made me passionate about trading. Where are you from, origin Karim? I am from Algeria. If you are from Morocco, I am your neighbor. That's it. Algeria, originally, I'm from Algeria. So, as I told you before, we are at the end of this session. If someone wants to reach me by email or website, you can just go and here is my email and my website. If you have questions about the training or the discount, let me know. And thank you very much, Marok. Thank you very much. Are you living in USA or in Morocco? If you are in the USA, it's better because we have a lot of opportunities. If you are in Morocco, it's another thing. So as I told you before, um, the theme of the today, if you come late and you didn't see what we have talked about, you can check my video tomorrow or at the end of the day when the video is processed, and you can watch it again and see what's the thing that we talk about. If you are interested in the training, please send me an email or just to check my website and see the discount. When you click on each training, you will see the discount, and it is still a big and huge discount for these days. Okay, so please, I will be waiting for your emails, and I will see you oh yes, it's very good. Since you are in Dallas, it's very good because you can use my own strategies here in USA, and you can use my trainings, training levels by video or by ebook, which is very good. And there is a huge discount, 70% for videos and 80% for ebooks. So if you are interested, just go check my website, check the training. If you have questions, just send me an email, and I will be helpful to answer all your questions. Okay, so Marok and the other people who come late, I have another session. Always I do sessions on Saturday 11 p.m. Eastern time. It means New York time. Okay, I always do on Saturday. Thank you very much, Marok. Now it's the end of this session, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for all your questions that we have done here. Thank you very much, Marok. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, just ask questions. If you want to reach me by Messenger, by Facebook Messenger, you can check my page. Here is my page. You click on it and you like the page, and then you send me a message, and from your cell phone. It will be very easy. If you have questions or you have something, good night and thank you very much. It's very easy. Or you send me an email, or it's okay also, because I always online. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and see you next Saturday at 11 p.m. Thank you very much.